Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to answer the question of, do hiring attorneys only want to bring on experienced beginner paralegals? Well, they are so interested in bringing on rank beginners, people who have no experience, but you have to go the extra mile instead of thinking that you do know how to assist them because you have your degree or certificate, and the attorneys know that you do not know how to assist them. So how do you change that? Well, they are ready to bring on very inexperienced people. But one of the things I've found is that I have to do a show and tell. I have to be able to say, I know how to help you with a few things. And that is enough. You can become familiar with a few of the paralegal duties in the area of law that the attorney works in. So if they're family law attorneys, or they are real estate attorneys, or they are, another one, business law, maybe they formulate and put together corporations for people. Maybe they do wills and trusts. You have to know how to do a few of the duties. But what are the duties? Well, I want you to go to my website and get my Paralegal Playbook, which is totally no charge, and it's at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Easy to remember. And look under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab. And you can just hover over that. You'll see the playbook, but also in your spare time, investigate the hub. Now, when you click on the Paralegal Playbook or the hub, you've got to sign up, because all my info is stored on a certain platform where I house all that information. I house videos and PDFs. So you don't want to miss out on what is kept on the hub that is free. Okay, and that is for you, the beginner. The whole website, Paralegal Coffee Talk, and the hub that I have is free. So now, the information under courses, that's a paid course, and under Paralegal Inner Circle class, that's a paid course. You can look at that and read the descriptions and testimonials and all that. Also, the book that I wrote about this career is under Legal Break-In Book. Look under every single tab. Look under my recommended books. There's another thing called Paralegal Resources, that if you look under there, you will see paralegal regulations PDF that you should look at and understand what yours are for your state. So attorneys are very willing to hire inexperienced paralegals, but you have to become familiar with some of these paralegal duties. And the playbook, on one of the pages in the playbook, in the middle of the page, it will talk about researching paralegal duties. So learn how to do that, but not just research them, become familiar with what a few of them are, very familiar, so that you can communicate that to the hiring attorney. All right, so be sure to look at, again, the website, but especially under courses, the Cover Letter Secrets class, and then the Paralegal Inner Circle class. It's under its own tab. Both are closed right now, both those classes, but they will reopen on the 15th through the 18th, and then it closes again at midnight on the 18th. Don't miss joining up for one or both of those classes. They're created for the beginner. All right, so have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Any questions, comments, please post them below.